Hiccup is currently in explore mode. We're in the basement hiding from a tornado warning, so he's never been in the basement before, and it smells funny. He wants to smell all the things. Oh, where are you going? You're backing up off your fleece. Over on this side now? Oh, finger. Where are you, little guy? Oh, I can't see you. You're all folded up. Oh, I saw a face. Hello. I can just barely see you. Surprise. Oh no. You're suddenly out in the open. I kind of want to be here. I'm still kind of scared of this place. Yeah. Hello. Nose is going on maximum overdrive. Surprised how active he is. It's like 4 o'clock, so this is pretty early for him. I think it's just new smells. New smells be interesting? Yeah. Look at that nose go. You gonna venture off the fleece? Oh, hello. Oh, is he gonna venture off the fleece? No, he's gonna venture under the fleece, aren't you? Oh, you little coward. Yeah, well, we're probably just gonna watch some YouTube on my phone or something while we wait out the storm. Hopefully it doesn't get too bad. I might be overreacting. Yep, he done. He hiding.